In my last video, we set up technical tracking for Google Ads, but tracking is useless if you don't know how to actually use it. Today, I'm taking you from setup to success by building a Google search campaign from scratch using those conversion goals. We are going to cover the entire setup for beginners, from keyword match type to writing headlines and what actually get clicked. But more important is that I am going to show you what happens after the ad have been running for a few days. I will be pulling back the curtain on a live campaign to show you the real cost per conversion we achieved and exactly how I adjusted the Target CPA to scale the result without blowing the budget. If you want to see how data-driven decisions are actually made in Google Ads, let's dive into dashboard. So to create a campaign, the first step we have to do is just go and click the create button. So you will get a list, and the first thing you will do is to click on campaign because we are going to create one campaign. The first thing it will ask you is what is your objective. There are few objectives listed. The first one is sales. Say you are driving your traffic, the website traffic, the ad traffic, advertisement traffic to your phone, to your store, or in an application where you are selling a product directly, not generating a lead and then selling it. Then you can go for sales thing. Then there is leads. If, as it is very clear from the name itself, that if you are generating a lead, go for leads. And if you are willing to send traffic on a web page or a landing page, go for website traffic. Then there is applications. If your application is listed on Google Android, right, Google Play, then you can go for app promotion. It can promote your application. Then there is awareness and consideration. From here you can choose multiple options. The local store visit, you can do advertisement on Google Maps and Google local stores. And if you don't want to choose an objective directly, you can go ahead and choose a campaign directly. So type of campaign directly. But this is not recommended by me. Like, go for an object so that Google can understand what your basic objective is, and it can optimize itself. So in my last video, I have pasted the link above. There is a card you can see just above on the right hand corner, top right. And we created some, you can see we created call and chat tags, right? We created some Google tags so that we can measure the conversions that is happening on the landing page. Right, go and watch that video. That is a very good video and informative. Hit continue, and we are going to create a search campaign. What is search campaign? Whenever someone is searching on Google, say you go on google.com. This is for those who don't know what search campaign is actually. So if I am searching for, suppose I want to holiday package for USA, right? So you can see there's a sponsored result. It says sponsored result. So this is an advertisement, right? This is an advertisement, and these are called organic results. So if we want to do this advertisement, we want our ad to be on the top of the page, on the search page, then you can go for this type of advertisement, right? This is search advertisement. So we are going, because the intent is very high. A person comes on Google and then searches for a product and then clicks on your advertisement. So he is searching. He is basically ready to buy a product. Now we click on search. Hit a continue. Then it asks for your website address. So my website address is, I know there is a landing page. right? And continue. I can name it because we have too many campaigns. I can rename it. For example, get me Shenigan pizza search campaign. This is very helpful. The naming a campaign is very helpful when you have numerous number of campaigns already running, because that gives you idea what this campaign is all about. So always have this basic habit of writing a name, right? Don't leave it blank or by default thing. Now this time we are going to focus the bidding on maximizing the conversions, right? Because we already have installed Google Tag on our website, as well as we connected Google Ads with Google Tags. Now Google Ads knows what is the number of conversion that is happening on your website. So this is how Google is going to optimize your advertisement so that it can maximize your conversion. So it will bid accordingly. So this time we are going to focus on conversions. Now we can set a target cost, that is the maximum number of amount that we are willing to spend for one particular click, right? One particular action. So it can be this action can be like this is CPA. So this action is basically the number of how many conversions we are willing to spend. Like for example, we are spending rupees 100 for 10 conversions on our website. That means there may be 50 number of clicks. So per click will cost you 2 rupees. But when we see conversion, the value of conversion, so 100 rupees was spent and 10 conversions happened on the website. So that is approx 10 rupees per conversion. So we can set our cost to 10, right? But this number you will know once the campaign is running, right? Once the campaign is running for a couple of days, you will know that this was the value that I'm getting. You get the approx idea about that value, then you set this thing up. So what I suggest, for a couple of days you don't set any target cost per action for now. After 2 days you come and I will show you where to see this particular cost per action, this cost per action, and you can reset this thing. Okay, so now go to next. We are going to uncheck this search partner and Google display network, because we are going to do this on search, basic search engine, the search page, SERP of Google. Now we have to select a location. We can select the entire country, or we can go for advanced search, and then we can select specific locations. For example, Dubai. Either we can go for the entire Dubai, right? Either we can go for a radius. We can delete this. I can write JBR and include it will include 20 miles from the center of JBR. Okay, we can save this thing. You can choose your location. One more important thing, very important thing, is you have to select presence, right? Because you want people who are regularly included in that location. You don't want people who are also interested presence and also interested in that location. So person sitting in Pakistan or India who is looking for Dubai or JBR might also see the advertisement if you click on this thing. But when you choose this, it is very specific. The ad will be shown to those people only who are living in that particular location. Now you can target people for with languages also, but this time we are not going to do that, right? We are only choosing English. And we again, the one thing is we are not going to do EU political ads. So there will be we are not going to do any audience segmentation for now, and no other options. Like we are not going to change ad rotations, not start date, end date, not this time, right? So we can click and do next. We will also not cover this AI Max search campaign for now, and we will again click next. We'll skip this because we don't want Google to go through our website and then suggest few things. This time we are doing it manually without help of AI. So we will skip it. Either we can get a suggestion from our website, either we can enter a product name, for example, Shenigan Visa, and get keyword suggestions. It will suggest keyword. Either we can have a list of keywords already ready with us, and then we can target it. So for now, I already have a list of keywords ready with me. So for example, these are the keywords. Now what are these inverted commas, right? If you don't have these, for example, I'm giving Spain visa, right? This is called a broad match keyword. What is a broad match keyword? It will my ad will be shown to people who are searching for Spain as well as searching for visa, right? If I put this inside an inverted comma, that is, this ad is this particular type of keyword match type is called phrase match. So if someone is searching for get Spain visa today, right? So the Google advertisement will search that if there is a keyword or not, my keyword is present in that particular complete phrase or not, right? So it will not show if someone is searching for Spain or if someone is searching for visa individually. It will show advertisement when Spain and visa both are present in that particular key phrase. And then there is an exact match. So what is exact match? If someone is, for example, I have pasted a keyword that is called Shenigan travel consultation. So if someone is searching specifically for this keyword, Shenigan travel consultation, exactly the same, then my ad will be shown to that particular person, right? So you have to choose your keywords accordingly. I always suggest go for this phrase match keywords that performs better than other keyword type. Now we already have pasted our keywords. Let's go to the ad section. In this ad section, I can go for a display path. It is a very simple thing. It's not that people will go on this path. It is only for display purpose. The first part of your path is always going to be a website. Then the second part can be Shenigan, right? Either a word, a keyword, either you can leave it blank, no matter. Now there is one more tactic that is called, I can display my keywords itself in this particular in this headline section. So this is the particular advertisement. These are the headlines that will be shown over here. You can see this is the preview of the advertisement. If I say fast, efficient service, my ad will be shown by this particular headline will be shown inside the advertisement. Okay, and it will keep on rotating. And the best part is the best performing ad will be shown to the advertisement. The best performing combination of these headlines will be shown more frequently to the viewer or the other person who is searching for that particular keyword. Now there is one more tactic to add good number of keywords, the exact keywords that you are targeting in your headlines. So what is that tactic? I will go for a curly bracket, right? And then I can do keyword insertion, right? I can go for keyword insertion, and there can be a default text. For example, if Google is not able to fetch these keywords at a certain time, it will show this particular keyword, this default text. Okay, and I will paste apply. There are more tactics. For example, if there is an event happening with you, you can go for a countdown. It will set a timer for that particular period, and the advertisement, it will shown into the advertisement like this number of time is remaining. I can do that for you. For example, the countdown ends on 27th of 28th, and start of day, and the countdown starts at 5 days before or 1 day. I can do 1 or 2 day, and let's apply it. And let us see the advertisement. If we can have a preview of this. You're not getting any particular preview of this thing. We will try when there is a preview, we can see it. Okay, and the third part of this curly bracket is to insert the location. Just say you already have there is a city or country or a state. You can always enter I can for example, I can enter a city. It can show Dubai because my location is set to Dubai. And in rest of it, you can delete every single thing and insert your own keywords or your own headlines. That is also fine with things, right? For example, I can go for some headlines like Shenigan visa assistant. Then note that the keywords that are present in the keywords that are present in that you are targeting should also be present within the headlines. That is when you get a popular included keyword right? You get a good strength in good ad strength, and your advertisement basically performs. So keep this thing in mind. Okay, I assume this insert good number of these keywords or headlines, right? And then we can move on to the next description thing. It gives you a 90 character limitations, and you can always enter a good description. For now, we are not doing anything else, and dot business logo we are not including. You can do that. For now, we can save it, and then we can go for a next. Things are looking good. You can review it. You can set your own budget, and then we are going to hit publish campaign. So it will take a time. After that, it will go into a review period, right? Google AIs and individuals may look for errors and if that fulfills the compliances or not, and they will approve the advertisement, and then your advertisement will be live on Google Ads. Once you go on the home page, you can see various buttons. There are recommendations, overview, and there is campaign. So what our target is to go to the campaigns, and then what we can see, we can hide all these things, and we can see conversions, right? So this is the basic conversion that is happening on our website when our advertisement is running for 2 or 3 days, right? We can always go ahead and check what on the goals button and go to summary, and then we can check every single conversions manually, like one by one, so individually basically. And then we can check calls, how many calls have happened, how many people clicked on the call button, how many people clicked on the chat button, how many people have submitted the form. Because this is inactive, we have to troubleshoot this thing, but still once troubleshooted, it will show you the number of conversions happening on your website. You can go back on the campaign and you can check you can change the dates, you can check whatever the data is. If you go if you slide and check the campaigns, you can always check the number of conversions and what cost per conversion is. We already have talked about it in past. So this is the amount that we are spending for every single conversion. So after 2 days we are going to change it in the settings. We will click the setting button for the campaign, and then we can change it to 41 or whatever the cost per conversion is, not exactly 41. I will show you this thing. So go to this bidding part, first bidding part. So we are targeting maximize conversion. Now we will set our target cost, target CPA. So that is 40 rupees, approx less than what the cost for conversion is, so that we spend less, right? But always keep this thing in mind, that your ad strength and your optimization score should be higher, right? If your website is very relevant to the advertisement, or your advertisement is very relevant to the landing page, then it is recommended that you can set it, right? And now when it comes to targeting conversions, you can go you can scroll down, and you can see that we are targeting these goals, conversion goals, right? So the whole campaign is targeting, so how many conversions. So this is, you have to change. If you are not already have selected these campaign goals, you can select it from here. That's it. I think you like the video, and if you want more videos, you can subscribe and like this video. You can comment if you have any question. I will try to answer every single question you ask. Thanks for watching.